Hello everyone, thank you for beginning this guided tour. My name is Dick Stinner from Windows Crap Edition. I am the Senior Vice President of Desktop OS Development, and today we would like to show you our newest product. We call this new innovation Windows Crap Edition Blue. It will change the way we compute forever. It is even harder to use than ever before. Your vision is completely obscured by a blue filter. It is amazing and took us about 6.2 seconds to create. I would like to direct your attention to Mike Rosoft, the CEO of Spoof OS Inc. Note, Spoof OS Inc. is not a real company.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this demo of Windows Crap Edition Blue, the next generation, or so they say, of Spoof OS. Now please don't ask us when Hack OS 10 or the Sauce Pad are coming out, because there's a dev conference coming up soon, and you will be informed then. So please, although we appreciate the comments, please do not keep asking. However, if you want to, that's fine, because every time you click our videos, we get paid, and that's the only way we make money to develop this shit for you. Okay? So, as you may have heard from Dick Sinner, you are getting a demo of Blue. Let's proceed. Loading screen, and whoa, look at this laziness. Okay, who just took the wallpaper and put blue on it? Was it you? Yeah, I'm looking at you. Did you do this? Okay, anyway. Yeah, there's some laziness going around. Anyway, I thought they would have developed a new graphic just for the desktop wallpaper for this new version of the system, but apparently they just had the nerve to cross out the number 12 and put blue in there. Right. Well, as you may notice, the system is very blue. Not only that, though, there's a new login sound. Did you hear that? That is also a new feature, so put that in your pipe and smoke it if you think all we're doing is changing the color of the system. So Windows Crap Edition Blue is full of pretty much no new features. We just literally took every UI element and made it blue. Some things do have neutrals, like this start button here. It fades white. There's more coding behind that than the rest of the operating system, I would assume, right? Okay, so let's... Hey, whoa! Hey, Buster! Hey, stop playing that. Come on, you played that song enough while we were developing this system. Okay, turn that off. Thank you. Sorry, that's just one of our executives, Buster. His last name's Cherry. Okay, so here's our start screen. For those of you who are not familiar with the current generation of OS, Spoof OS in the Windows series is on version 12 right now, and this is 12.1, also known as Blue, because everything is blue. You probably figured that out by now. And one of the main new features of Generation 12 is that we have this new interface called Metro. It's called Metro because, well, no one really knows, but it's good. It's got squares, so if you're OCD, don't worry, everything's in squares, perfect, 90-degree angles and everything. It's also super easy to click. It's touch-friendly if you got a touchscreen, if you're crazy like that. So let's explore some features. We have PowerHell, which is a scripting sort of thing. I can't set this up. We still haven't fixed that bug. No, it is. Pressed N, and the setup failed because the user clicked no. All right, press enter. Program terminated. All right, let's try that again. Let's go back to the start screen. Try something else, like the control panel. Now, as you may notice, the control panel looks the same because all the colors on here already resembled a neutral or the color blue, so there really wasn't much we could do with this. However, the error messages are blue, as you did see, so let's just trigger an error message. Yep, no error has occurred, but we wanted to throw something up in your face anyway. Did you enjoy it? We hope so. At Spoof OS Inc., we thrive to make super annoying software. We have not failed at that yet, and with the Sauce Pad coming up, we got hardware too. Let's get out of here. I think you press D to get to the desktop. Okay, apparently that stopped working. I'll just say 7. Okay, so we got 7. Let's go back to the start screen. Let's try pressing D. Okay, I swear that button brought me back to the desktop. Okay, things don't work anymore. That's fine. Let's go to my documents. Another error. Divorce forms. Why do I never clear those off here? Well, it doesn't matter. I can't run them anyway. I don't have the text editor installed. Seriously, are we still using floppy diskettes, guys? Oh my goodness. Whoa. Oh shit, man. You gotta fix that bug. Let's go to the App Store. As you can see, it's pretty much the same as last time. It's just bluer. Hey, the D button worked that time. Let's try that in Internet Explorer. Hey, the D button worked. So why does the control panel not work? You guys suck at coding. Go back. There we go. Okay, so let's see. What can we do here? Let's go to Media Center. This is a good application. If you have a television hookup, you can use this as your media player. You could stream YouTube, Fook You Japanese TV, Fook Me Japanese TV, the Pirate Bay. I don't have the professional version of Blue installed, though, so I can't get all these features, but I can still get some. So we'll go to My Photos. And what would you look at that? Everything is blue, and Windows CE has detected your system, or you're being unproductive, and the system will crash. Have a splendid day. Press enter to crash. Oh, the screen of death is red. Oh, you didn't see that coming. You see, because it's the blue screen of death, and the system's called Blue, and everything is blue. But then all of a sudden, we throw a red screen of death in your face. Now that's just the biggest twist you ever done diddly seen, right? And if you didn't, fuck you. So press R, and it restarts back to the agreement page. Hit Oh, I get it, loading up. And there's that sexy, beautiful, absolutely marvelous new login sound. Let's see. What did we not explore? I think that was most of it. I mean, it's a pretty shitty system. There's not really much to it. Oh, there's a little screen corner thing if you want to trigger some menu. Pretty stupid. So, I don't know. It's not really much to do. Oh! If you keep procrastinating like this, you're going to have a bad time. Absolutely. Let's see. Do nothing. Oh. Can I click Nicolas Cage? Nope. Nope. Hey, Buster! Hey, I told you! Stop playing that song! What the hell is wrong with you, man? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. He just will not stop playing that stupid song. D. There we go. That brought me to the desktop. Thank goodness. In terms of back-end technology, it's really the same. It still uses the... What do we call it? The Sanders kernel? I think that's what it's called. It's still got, all those other things. I think that's really it. I don't know if there's much else I can really show you, but yeah, it's really just a small update. 12.1, we got other stuff coming out. Project Chaos, SaucePad, HackOS 10, probably some other things too. Heck, I don't remember. I'm just the CEO of the company. That doesn't mean I'm in charge of things. So let's shut her down and get the new sexy shutdown sound. It is now safe to close the window, and that will completely turn off the operating system, and it's safe to turn off your computer. So thank you for joining me in this shitty demo. I hope you hated it, because it sucked. If you want to get your hands on this, you can go to our marvelous website that was developed in Notepad. It's spoofos.com, and we bought the domain off the black market. It was cheap. So, enjoy that. spoofos.com. You can try this out yourself along with other versions of Windows Crap Edition in the Spoof OS series. And just to reiterate, please do not ask about HackOS 10 or the SaucePad. But honestly, if you want to, I really personally don't care. I love feedback, but that stuff's coming soon, and when it comes out, you'll be yanking the hair out of your head because it's so frustrating just to get the operating system to work. But hey, that's how we do things here at Spoof OS Incorporated. Until then, see you next time. You all suck. Videos are just the beginning. Check out these other great websites for great content from the Computer Clan, and subscribe for more great videos from Real Deal Productions.